The Bantus originated from the Igbos of West Africa. They conquered and ruled the tropical, which was then comprised of what we now know as Africa, Europe, Asia Minor, and India. The trade of their culture, language, and civilization are preserved in the people and tongues of the world. The word Bantu and the classification Bantus are the modern European invention to account for the roots of black people. Igbo language in all of Africa and beyond. The subtropical Ouwarre, including the Mediterranean lands, during all the period of the last ice age, were part of and parcel the homeland of the Igbo, or part and parcel the homeland of the Igbo, or part of what we now call Africa. All the subtropical ancient megaliths, stone arrangements, and pyramids were done during the period of 38,000 BC through 8,000 BC to 1,700 BC. 38,000 BC to 8,000 BC was the period of the reign of the four Umanuforos, from the date of the covenant between Chineke God and the Igbo that was sealed with blood of circumcision. The Igbo circumcision predated the Hebrew circumcision by over 28,000 years. The handed down history from 8,000 BC to 1,700 BC was the era of the Imperial Igbo, now known as Bantus. It was the time of the class kingdoms of kings. It was when all kings were the sons of the Doru Uka named Ucha, These titles were commonly originated from the reigning Doro himself. Note that the handed down history emphasizes the fact that all kings, no matter where they were ruling, paid allegiance as sons and subjects of the Doro. When they died, the dead bodies were brought back to be buried in West Africa, later known as Ethiopia, now Ethiopia, the land where kings were gods. By 1700 BC, inheritance wars had begun, creating permanent territories and establishing the restriction into the lands. The handed down history noted such titles: Duru, Ondiku, Ebuka Daneze, Ashoka, Asholuka, Habamihi, Hanu, Foro, Pharaoh, Chieze, Shiheze, Chiuku, Chiukunaba, Heza, Habahaza, Harikala, Chiza, Hezika, Hagadinaize, Chiapa, Hoyenuka, Kato, Tunala, Olinala, and many more.